Pemberton on the Go is the city's new initiative to provide more options for people to get around town. And the first project is the East Wilshire Bike Boulevard.
So a lot of people have been asking what a bike boulevard is. And what a bike boulevard is really just a regular street that's been sort of optimized, and so it's improved for bicyclists. And so cars will still be able to drive on the street, but we're going to do a lot of design features that are going to make it a little bit safer, a little bit more friendly for bicyclists to use.
It's located on East Wilshire Avenue between the intersections of Pomona and Acacia. We heard loud and clear that the neighborhood did not want to reduce parking, that we needed to, whatever improvements we needed to construct would be within the existing street width. And we needed to create something that would be used but not become an attractive nuisance or a safety hazard.
The project is going to be two phases. The first phase is where we're going to install traffic circles at 5 intersections along the bike boulevard. A traffic circle for this temporary installment is going to be about a 36-inch tall traffic cone around the center of the intersection. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow cars to continue to move through the intersection, but at a slower speed. It's also going to allow bicyclists on Wilshire Avenue to enter and move through the intersection without having to come to a full stop at the stop sign, which is what's currently there. Once we've installed the temporary traffic circles on Wilshire, we're going to be removing the stop signs in the east-west direction and also be installing traffic signs lowering the speed down to 15 miles per hour. We're going to be installing Sharrows, which is a pavement marking on the street which says that it's optimized for bicycle use.
This Bike Boulevard project is a pilot project. That means we're using low-cost temporary materials to test concepts and ideas in a laboratory environment within a neighborhood, so we can figure out what works, what doesn't work, what we might need to change and modify before we spend a lot of money on a permanent solution. Your feedback is important to us. Please check the project website for updates, provide feedback on a survey, and view how-to videos on the Bike Boulevard.